Welcome to Text Analytics course. In this video, we will be installing Jupyter Notebook and TextBlob. First off, go to your search engine and search install Jupyter Notebook. Go to their official site, which should be first or second link, and on this site you should find instruction for installing. So here they are saying that Python is prerequisite for Jupyter Notebook, and they recommend Anaconda to install Jupyter Notebook. The steps are simple. First off, click on this link and download Anaconda. Install Anaconda by clicking on the downloaded exe, and after that follow the instruction in the setup wizard. After you have successfully installed Anaconda, Python and other data analytics packages including Jupyter Notebook will be installed on your machine. So click on this link, click on this download button, install Python 3.7, or if you are using Python 2.7 or Python 2 for your older Python projects, you may download this. We are using Python 3.7, so we will download this. After this exe is downloaded, you should be able to check on your command line or on Mac OS on terminal. I have already installed Anaconda, so go to any folder and open command line. I'm using Commander, which is a console emulator and open source software. You should be able to check Conda by using this command, conda ---- version. It should print your current version, installed Conda version, and you should also be able to check Python using the same Python ---- version. It should print the Python version, and after that you should also be able to run the Jupyter Notebook. Use this command, Jupyter space notebook, and hit enter. After that, it will open the notebook Jupyter in the same folder you are standing, that is I am standing on D source tutorials. So here you can create a new Python 3 notebook or text file folder terminal. So we will be working on Python, so we will start a new notebook. Here give it a name, TextBlob. You can test any Python command here just to make sure. So we are printing hello world on Python notebook. Press shift enter or click on this button, run, to run this cell. So to run the cell, press, you can, after the cell is run, you will see the output. So for running TextBlob or using Python library TextBlob, we need to install TextBlob. For installing TextBlob, go to your search engine again and search install TextBlob, and always use your official site. For installing TextBlob, you should run these two commands. Install -u TextBlob. Go to your terminal and take a new terminal here and run this command, pip install -u TextBlob. So after the TextBlob is installed, install the TextBlob corpora this corpus is needed for extracting tags, which we will see in this library. So okay, now it has downloaded. Now you should check TextBlob by importing TextBlob library. From TextBlob, import TextBlob. So the command has run, and we have successfully imported TextBlob. To check, initialize TextBlob with a text. Hello world. This is a test. And take it in a variable, say blob, and run it. After that, blob dot sentences, so we have only one sentence, so it is printing only one sentence. Hello world, this is a test. So in this video we have seen installing Jupyter Notebook and TextBlob. In the next video we will be exploring more of this Python library TextBlob. So please subscribe and like and comment if you have any problem. Other links will be in the description.